Hi everyone, it's Nelda. I hope you're all doing well. Welcome back to my channel and thank you for clicking this video. I hope that you and your family are all safe and in excellent health. Today I'd like to give you a flip through of my new journal, and I call this Happiness. But before I do that, I'd like to welcome my new subscribers. Thank you so much for supporting my channel. My channel has now reached 1,000 subscribers and I'm really so blessed and so happy. I will be doing the 1,000 subscribers giveaway in the coming days. And so if you are not a subscriber to my channel yet, please do subscribe and join us. Let us learn together and craft together. Okay, so this journal is 9 by 6 inches. I call this journal Happiness, and I use my Dymo to create the title. The base of this cover is the 9 by 12 yellow envelope. There is only one signature and 106 inside pages. I use the printables from CalicoCollage, and that is the Spring Blush. These printables are so beautiful. I really loved it. For the closure, I used the long seam binding that I colored myself. And then I have a tutorial on this. If you're interested, I will provide on the description below. And then I added some beads. I made a collage for the cover, and again this image is from CalicoCollage, and I added some beads, seed beads on the butterfly, and these are sticker buttons, and I made a flower here. The spine is a vintage doily. And this is the back. There are 106 inside pages. There are plenty of tags and pockets as well. And I use the avocado dyed paper. This journal has grungy looking pages, and so let's take a look inside. The inside front cover has some pockets and some tags, and then I used my Dymo to make this word blessed. So these are the tags. Did some collage here and some stamping, and then journaling space on the back. There are tiny tags as well. And really pretty image from CalicoCollage. Here is a flip out, and then this is a pocket, and inside is a booklet. And these are plain or blank pages, and then I did some stamping also. Pretty image from the Spring Blush printable. Added some scrap paper here, and then more tags. So there are really plenty of pockets here. Journaling in the back. Next page. Another pocket, and this is a booklet again, and blank pages. Another tag. Did some collage again, and blank in the back. Next page. More stamping. More tags. And more tags here, and this is an envelope, and then serves as a pocket here. Here's another pretty image from the Spring Blush, and this is from a vintage record. More tags. More collaging. vintage music sheet. This is another pocket. Some more tags, blank in the back. So there are plenty of journaling space. And then just some stenciling here. So you can see that the paper, the avocado dyed paper, is kind of grungy looking. Now this is a vintage record from 1965. And this is the middle of the signature. I added the heart charm. This is a paper heart charm. And then this is the last page. So this is another booklet. Again, blank pages, and the inside back cover has pockets. And so this is the envelope. And again, there's a heart charm, paper charm. And so this is the envelope. I will put more ephemera inside. And so this is the happiness junk journal. Again, there are 106 pages and then only one signature. The size is 9 by 6 inches. And this will be in my Etsy shop. I will provide the link on the description below. So thanks everyone for watching this video. I really appreciate it. Thank you so much for supporting my channel, and please subscribe if you haven't yet. I am still putting together the 1000 subscribers giveaway, but it will be in the next few days. So please support my channel, hit subscribe and join us, and it will be so awesome to have you. And stay safe wherever you are. There's just so much craziness going on around us. So let us stay positive and let's continue to pray for one another, and let us get busy crafting. So this is all I have for now. I wish you all good health, joy, and happiness. Thanks again for watching, everyone. Have a blessed week. God bless you. Bye now.